What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the channel. So this here, we'll call this a public service announcement. So this here is a fuel pump. This is a Nissan fuel pump for a Nissan Titan. Okay, now you see these little leads in here? Make sure that you check those before you drop this sucker in the tank. All right, because I installed this wondering why this pump was not priming, only to find out that that lead that came, we'll say from the factory, was not secured properly. All right, make sure you check those electrical connectors. Make sure everything's good to go before you drop it in the tank, so you don't have to drop the tank again like I had to here. Make sure you check and ensure that all these connectors are where they're supposed to be. Nothing's broken, everything's good to go. And if you want to, you can even hook it up and do a quick test if you'd like here, like I did here, to remedy the issue. But you can even do a quick test just to verify that that thing's working before you drop it in the tank and find out that a lead was not connected, which means someone fell asleep at the wheel at the factory. It's your boy BT. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you on the next one.